Welcome to our channel. Today, we're comparing two popular steam mops, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. We'll explore their features, prices, and what actual users are saying about them. Let's see which mop comes out on top. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at $49, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save some money. In contrast, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is priced at $74, which some users feel is a bit steep. Reviewers have noted that the BLACK+DECKER offers great value, especially for those wanting a reliable steam mop without breaking the bank. However, a few Dirt Devil users mentioned its higher price may reflect its additional features and performance, making it worth considering if you're willing to spend a little more. Let's dive into cleaning power. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop heats up in just 30 seconds and is praised by users from rainy Oregon for its effectiveness in cleaning wood floors without harsh chemicals. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop also heats up quickly and offers 3-mode settings, which some users found convenient for different cleaning tasks. Reviewers have expressed satisfaction with both products, but the Dirt Devil's versatility with settings gives it an edge for those needing customized cleaning options. Next, we compare versatility. The BLACK+DECKER features a swivel head that easily navigates around furniture, making it a favorite for those with tight spaces. Reviewers have lauded its ease of use in various areas. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil also boasts a 180-degree swivel head, allowing it to reach tricky spots. Users have commented on both mops being maneuverable, making this category a tie, as both excel in reaching those hard-to-clean areas. Finally, let's look at cord length. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop comes with a 12-foot cord, giving users ample reach for larger areas. However, many reviewers noted the cord could be longer, especially for extensive cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Dirt Devil does not specify its cord length, leaving some users uncertain about its reach. Those who prefer a longer cord would appreciate the BLACK+DECKER's design more, thus winning this round. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is generally well received for its affordability and efficiency, although some users mention issues with cord length and durability. The Dirt Devil Steam Mop is praised for its ease of use and effectiveness, with some concerns about its build quality and length. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different users' needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you prefer and why. Don't forget, you can find the product links in the description below.